Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today, you already know what I'm doing because of the title. I'm making a slime Christmas list. Subscribe and like if you love slime. And you only have 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you could do that, comment down below, #slime. So you might be able to win. You have to try getting the first comment. And if you get the first comment, you'll be able to win a blue fluffy slime in January. Yeah, January. So let's get started. So first thing you need is 2 pieces of paper. I have 2 pieces of paper because I have this big set of paper. So I got 2 pieces. And you need a pen or a pencil. I have both things. Sorry, I had to go do something. So, and last but not least, you need tape. So yeah, now let's get on to it. So first, you get the second paper. If you have a lot of things, you put the second paper over. And I am... Okay, that's my stupid sister.
Grandma's gonna love it. It was so good.
So sorry, I just needed to do something. Since my sister was cleaning our room and moving stuff around, I wanted to see what was happening. So yeah. First, I'm going to write Christmas list. So you see the C? When I do a tap of this, it will say Christmas list. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Isn't that so cool, guys? I can't believe that either. I can't believe I can do magic. Yeah. So first, since this is a slime thing, I'm doing glue. So I'm gonna, in stores, there's new colored glue, which is pink, purple, green, and blue. And the types of glue that I want are clear, white, and colored. So, yeah. Even though it's September 9th, I don't even care. Even though it's September 9th, I'm making a Christmas list. This video that I'm making right now is September 9th, but it's not September 9th when you watch it, so yeah.
It might be. I'm watching it today.
So I'm going to write it with my magic, my awesome magic. Since you see this G in the touch of this, it's going to say glue and then swirl thing, and then it's going to say clear, white, and colored, and then another swirl thing. So ready? 3, 2. Oh my gosh, I did it again! How am I so good at this? Second, I won't food dye. I'm going to do neon and regular. So yeah. You see this app? I'm going to do it again. My magic. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I did it again. Sorry that it's backwards for you. It's not backwards for me because I twisted this way. It won't be backwards for you if I do it backwards. But I don't feel like doing it backwards. Third, I want clay, which could be colored and regular white. I'm gonna work some magic again. 1, 2, 3. So I changed to a pencil because I wonder if the pencil does magic too. I don't think it will. So when I'm done, I'm going to just use the pen to do magic because I feel like. So I'm gonna just try with the pencil first, and then let's try. And then if it doesn't work, let's do it with the pen. So yeah. Fourth, I want baking soda. Okay, baking soda. I'm gonna try working magic. Okay, let's try this. One, 2, 3. It didn't do anything. So I'm just gonna do the pen. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How did it turn into pencil stick? Well, so this is only part 1. So, fifth, I want contact solution. So yeah. Magic time. 1, 2, 3. So it did more magic somehow. Okay. 6. I want instant snow. If you want to know what that is, it's like stuff where you put water into it and then it puffs up into instant snow. So let's work some magic. 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm just doing the magic with the pen. So the magic actually makes it way quicker. So 7th, I want foam beads. I hope it says foam beads. I hope it doesn't say food dye. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go. And it did it again. I'm just a magician then. 8th, I want sense. So ready? Let's work some magic. 1, 2, 3, go.
She wrote
It's
it
done.
and then I said I have to do my room. She's like, I'm gonna help you.
It's done. 9th, I want baby oil. It makes it stretchier and stuff. Wait, I forgot to do my magic. I hope this makes baby oil, not baking soda up here. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the first time it happened. baking soda. Let's try doing magic again. 3. So I'm gonna say, abracadabra, make this say baby oil. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! It actually says baby oil. Yes, my magic where I say abracadabra, make this say blah blah blah. So, the 10th
Here, Mom.
thing I want. So I have to make I need to use this paper.
The signs are coming.
So,
Coming now.
10, I want a lotion. So, yeah. Let's do some magic. Did I do an NEL? So, it won't do any damage because I didn't do any else yet. So, yeah. Let's try it with this. I'm going to say, abracadabra, make this pencil magical. Poof. It's magical now. Let's do it on lotion. Abracadabra, make this say lotion. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, the pencil's actually magical. The jaw drop. Okay. 11th, I want bowls. I'm gonna say, abracadabra, do not make this say baking soda or baby oil. Make it say bowls. We have this B. 1, 2, 3, go. It worked! It's in bowls. 12. I want spoons. I'm gonna say abracadabra. Abracadabra, do not make this say cents. Make it say spoons. 1, 2, 3. It works. It worked. 13th. I want a whole lot of containers.
Here's your schedule for the next 3 days.
I didn't do any A's, so this will be good. Abracadabra, make this say a whole lot of containers. It did it! Oh my gosh. 14th, I want glitter. I didn't know G's yet, so it's gonna be good. Abracadabra, make this say glitter. Oh my gosh, it says glitter. 15th, I want shaving cream. Even though I don't really like shaving cream, but let's just do it. Okay. Abracadabra, make this say shaving cream. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It says shaving cream. Oh yeah. Okay. 16. I want stickers.
No, Grace.
Abracadabra, make this say stickers. It says stickers! Ah, it says stickers. Yeah.
Stickers.
17.
Stop, stupido.
I want pigment. Abracadabra, make this say pigment. 1, 2, 3, go. Now it says pigment. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I make a new video. Bye!